Okay, you bought your P16 UV PNI from Amazon before Christmas. It was a good offer, 17-18 euros. And it does 144, 146, 430, 440. And anywhere outside of that, it says disable. I suggest you buy the software, like here, and you look under tools. And it says frequency range setting. You click on that, another window opens. So you have the legal setting and your BF factory. That would be factory setting. You read the radio, it shows you it's locked, and then you write the BF setting to it, and you get 136174, 220, 260, 350, 390, 400, 480. Restarts, and then you can program what you want. So buy the software, Baofeng original cable, and that's how you get your radio unlocked.